Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to design a professional business card or how to create your nice and professional business card in Canva. Now, this is super easy and I want to keep this as simple and straightforward and beginner friendly as possible. Now, how do you do it? Once you have a Canva account, you don't even have to have a premium account or Canva Pro. You can just simply use the free version of Canva to get this done. And once you're inside your Canva account, just use a search. Ensure that you're on either in design or templates. You can choose templates, it really doesn't matter. Just go ahead and click there and type in business card. So I can simply type in business card. And once you start to type, it's going to populate and start to show you what options it has. Now you can choose business card template and it's going to show you a ton of different templates, professional templates that you can choose from. Again, if you're on the free plan, you want to look for business card design that doesn't contain the crown on the right hand side because the crown signifies Canva Pro. And so if you want to use those designs, then you need to have Canva Pro. It's as easy, it is as simple as that. But once you have the Pro, you can just choose whatever you want. So in this case, guys, I'm going to just look for something that is nice and professional, and at the same time, it's absolutely free. So I am looking, and yeah, let's take, for example, this one here. It's modern, it's nice, and guess what, guys? It's professional, right? So you can click on this, and once you click on a design, you can click on customize, and once you click on customize, it's going to take you into the design section here of Canva, where you can go ahead and just basically change whatever you want. So if you have your own logo, you can upload your own logo by simple clicking upload on the left hand side, and you can upload your image. You can get image even from your Instagram, you can get image from Google Drive, or you can simple drag and drop a logo here. Now let me see if I have any logo here in my computer. I might be able to find a logo that I can add, and yeah, so that you can see how to actually add that. I think I have some logo design. Let me see here. Yeah, let's use, for example, this one. So I'm going to just add something here from a different channel, and you can see that I have some logo here. So if I have my own logo and I can drag it there and upload it, I can just simply delete this one here, and I can just click on my logo and just add it to the design, and kind of resize it to the way I want, and I can name that whatever I want. So let's turn that and say, for example, AI channel. As an example, let's say that's what it is, right? Or AI business. It's really up to me, right? And again, you can always change the font. You can do whatever you want and change the colors. In this case, maybe I want to use, for example, white or the blue. It's really up to me. So I can choose that. So in this case, I think that I'll go for more of a color like that, and let's say that's what I want. And keep in mind that for different designs you can change whatever you want. You can add, remove elements. It's really up to you how you really want to position it, and work with your design, and basically change it to whatever you want. And once you're satisfied with your design, with everything that is done, guys, you can always go ahead and change it. Let's say that's it, and I'm satisfied. I can easily go ahead and click on the share on the upper right hand side. And once you click there, click on download, and you don't want to download this as a PNG. I would recommend that you save this, for example, as a PDF or whatever it is. Save it in a way that you can easily get the design. You can save it whatever you want, however you want, right? And so that you can print that. So whether you want to save it as a PNG, whether you want to save it as a JPEG, whatever you want to do, you can easily go ahead and do that. If you want to save it in whatever you want, just go ahead and do that. So once you select that, go ahead and just click on download, and you'll be able to download this. Keep in mind that you can download this as a single image or as a PDF document or as both. It's really up to you how you decide that you want to download your design. But that's it, guys. It is very easy and very simple how to create a professional business card in Canva. Now, before I leave here, guys, I also want to share with you that in case you select, for example, a design, or you want to start with something fresh, you can get the size, or you can add a new page. It's really up to you. You can change whatever. You can delete pages. So if say I don't want this page anymore, I can delete that page and basically delete whatever so that you can even start with a blank page, and you can find new templates. So if you want, you can click design at the top here and you can just click on templates. You can search whatever templates are there. Here under this section as well, you can click the arrow and you can switch between what are the different categories available, and you'll find different templates. Scroll through, you can find whatever you want. You can always click and insert and add those different new designs. Play around with it from there. You can duplicate it as well. So if you have that, you like that, you can duplicate it and add different things there. But that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys. I hope you found value here within this video. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. Hit that subscribe button, guys. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.